It's the 17th day of Vlogust, and it's the first day of NYA, or it will be once I get there, because I have to work first, and obviously that's not a prospect that I'm that excited about. But, gotta get it done. It's not that long a shift, and yeah. Breakfast's been had. Packed. That's my main case. My bag with clothes for today, and my bag with everything else I need for today and just the weekend. Dropped Jamie off at her work on my way to my work. Let's get a move on. I have arrived, and it's time to get in and get on. Finished work now, time to get moving, because it's tight to get to youth assembly on time with the time that I'm finishing work. Stopped in at the Tesco's in Dundee because I needed to pee, and also I needed to get some extra sort of charging facility because my phone died on the drive down, barely before, in fact, before I got to Aberdeen. I strongly suspect that I've just wasted money on this charger, but we'll give it a shot. I'm really irritated because my phone is dead. I need a new one anyway, but still. It's stuck at 0%, why? Well, I got myself very thoroughly lost, just trying to do signs and stuff to work my way back to the right place, but turns out no, I needed to actually take a moment, look on Atlas-y thing and try it that way, and I now have at least some idea of what I'm meant to do. I am, however, extremely late, and I have no way of telling anyone that I'm extremely late because the tablet won't do anything without Wi-Fi, and the phone is just completely dead. It stopped even making anything to do with sort of screens towards charging, which just wonderful, innit? Found my way, but I'm like an hour and a half late over that, possibly, all because of this bloomin' everything. Just everything's not good. Dump my stuff, gonna go find the people I'm meant to be with. I'm so sorry, Lindsay. I chose exactly the wrong moment to do this. I might be going back up after this. People don't think I'm serious.
What's that about? What do you get to do? All of that stuff.
Do you want me to talk to them first about, because the remit I was given was to tell you something inspiring about being here for the weekend, is that okay? Yeah. And then you can get on to the moderator stuff later once I've worked out what it is. This weekend. Because the more that you put into this weekend, the more that you will get out of it. Is that true? Yes, Susan. Yes. Is that true? Yes. Excellent. So what you're going to do is you're going to have a sensual experience the whole of this weekend. All 5 senses are about to be attacked. The worst probably getting thrown out the Irish Assembly. That was possibly not my finest moment. I thought I had it sealed. The Irish were worrying about our stance on sexuality in the Church of Scotland, and I thought I cracked it. I took a present with me for the moderator and for the clerk of the Presbyterian Church of Ireland Assembly. I took them a tap and tie, Church of Scotland tap and tie each. And I let them debate all about this, and then I stood up and went, remember, it doesn't matter if we fall out every now and then because we're still family. And in families there are disagreements, but the thing about being family is you're family. And you come back together again, you know, whatever. So here's a wee present for you, here's a tap and tie. Church of Scotland tap. You'll notice it's in lots of different colours, different shapes and sizes going in different directions, but together it makes something absolutely beautiful. Uproarious round of applause around the Presbyterian Church of Ireland Assembly, and then they took the vote and we left. So that's possibly not my finest moment.
Okay, you're going to vote against each other. You start off by putting the ball at the top of this wee, I have no idea what that is. It's the kind of first one to have got your thing in the end, but you've got to have gone through each of the obstacles on the way. It won't kind of, you have to break it, chop it off.
Never good.
There's another bit of footage.
Oh, I know this.
Giggles your friend, guys. Giggles your friend.
This is the... Hello, please come and help us.
If it's cheeky,
17,
I can't pass
don't
that.
Well, go. You guys, yeah. Literally, people inside.
Right, let's spin this way.
Spin that way,
Right.
yeah. Okay, you went a bit fast, but that's fine.
30 seconds remaining.
Where's that happening?
And after all that, I think it's time to go to bed. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that you remember to like and share it and subscribe to my channel. Click on the thumbnails down below to see other videos by me, and I will see you guys tomorrow for the next day of Vlogust, whenever it gets up.